Good morning. I am a solo mom today running some errands. I'm actually doing some birthday shopping. I have a little one getting ready to turn 4. So we are getting some birthday presents. They're looking for unicorn themed things. First thing I'm doing is running into Aldi's really quick though. I did a pickup order yesterday and I got home and realized they did not give me my pack of Capri Suns that I got. So I'm taking my receipt in there and showing them what they didn't give me. So and then I'm gonna run to the Dollar Tree first and just see if they have any like unicorn themed birthday things, because I feel like I've seen some items there before, but I'm just gonna double check and then probably run to Hobby Lobby. I'm checking the Dollar Tree first though, just because I don't want to spend 20 bucks on plates and stuff like that, although Dollar Tree has gotten outrageous lately. But anyways, so we're gonna run to Dollar Tree, probably Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Marshall's, maybe Ulta. She wants some kids makeup, which I let them usually do, like some lip gloss or something and a little blush and maybe a little eyeshadow, nothing crazy. So we're gonna see if they have any of that. Okay, so for somebody that has procrastinated and waited literally a day and a half before the party or the birthday to get stuff, I did so good. So I'm gonna show you all what we got. I'm gonna start with Dollar Tree first because I did go there first. So I did get one of their balloons and they were like, why are you buying a balloon that's not blown up? And I'm like, because I have a helium tank at home and I will be taking this with me where we're going for her birthday. And we just won't be able to travel with a bunch of balloons and stuff. So I've got a helium tank. I'll just blow this up myself. So I got that HaUL unicorn balloon. And like I said, I knew they had unicorn stuff because I have been seeing it. And I'm so excited. These cute little plates that will just have the cake on. So cute. For $1.25, of course. Okay, the tiniest little pinata. But I just thought it was so cute. I didn't really plan on doing any pinata or anything, and I don't really even know if we'll be able to hit this or anything like that, but I'm gonna fill this up with some little goodies. And then I got this glitter table cover. This little fringe backdrop. I just thought it was like super pretty and unicorn looking. I got the streamers that we'll just put all around. Some little party hats for the kids. They have these confetti balloons that I got. Some little napkins. A number 4 balloon. I got her a little headband to wear for the day. And then I did get them a pack of ring pops. I don't usually buy stuff like this because it's got dye and stuff in it, but I said why not. So I got them some of these. And then they have these little, at the checkout, these little surprise blind balls. And it says that it could either be like a donut, a shark, a dinosaur, an owl, or a unicorn. So I don't know what's in here, but we'll see if it's a unicorn. So that's everything I got from the Dollar Tree. So I feel like I made out. So then after that I went to Hobby Lobby. Yeah, Hobby Lobby. They had this really pretty unicorn gift wrap. It's the foil gift wrap. And I guess their gift wrap is always 50% off. So this was $3 for this pretty. I'm telling you, I went to Walmart one time to get wrapping paper and I think it was like $6. I could not believe the price. So I found this for a good price. So I got them some of these. And then they had these for a gift, I found this little unicorn plush. You can color it, and then you can wash it and then repeat. So color, wash, repeat. Color as many times as you want, I'm sure, of course, until the markers run out. This was $12.99. They've been needing some more string for their bracelets and stuff, so I just ended up finding this unicorn jewelry kit that's got all of this in it, so they'll have fun making these. This was $12.99. And then I found this on the go sticker story adventure. You can repeat these as well. You take them off and put them on different scenes. So I thought that was just kind of fun because she likes to do little things like that sometimes. And then I did find these little birthday cutouts. It's got like a unicorn, a happy birthday, some stars and clouds, only for $1.49. So I did have to grab that. I grabbed a number 4 birthday candle, some unicorn tattoos, and then some unicorn chocolate coins that I'll stuff in the little unicorn pinata. That is everything as far as birthday stuff. Let's see, then I went to, wait a minute, I'm missing a bag. Where's my Walmart stuff at? Let me go see where my Walmart stuff is. Okay, I missed that. One request that she had was a stuffed animal stitch. So I grabbed this from Walmart. It's super soft and fluffy. And I grabbed her, the kids love to wear eye masks to bed, so I got her a unicorn eye mask, and it comes with a little necklace and earrings. Thought it was so cute for $9. That's not bad. I think I bought them eye masks from Hobby Lobby, the stitch ones, and they were like $14 each. I couldn't believe it. And then they had this adorable dress at Walmart. I'm telling you, Walmart has really set their game up on their clothing. This is like that thicker material. It feels so cute for $5.98. And then for $4.98 a piece, I got this cute little outfit here with the unicorns. I'm telling you, I unicorned it up today. I could not believe all the unicorn stuff I found. Okay, one other thing I got is she wanted a little makeup kit. So this has got eyeshadow, lip gloss, and a little couple of hair bows in it that I got for her. And then I did get her another little lip gloss by the EOS brand. I really like that brand. So. And then I did find a cute little set of unicorn PJs that I thought she could put on the night before her birthday and then wake up in these, that are unicorn stuff. And then I grabbed, these are the favorite suckers that I give the kids. They are dye-free, dairy-free, nut-free, soy-free, gluten-free, blah, blah, blah. But mostly I'm going for the dye-free, $5.99, and these are so, so good. So I got these, and I'll stuff some of those in that little unicorn as well. So that is everything for the birthday. All in all, I think I spent, I think it was like 80-ish bucks between the gifts and the decorations and all that, which is not bad, for a birthday. We're going on a trip for her birthday, So that's kind of the birthday gift, but of course, I still have to get her a few things for her birthday. But anyways, I totally lucked out today. I'm so excited. This is not birthday related, but for my older daughter, I've been giving her these Focus lollipops for school. It's just kind of helped her like calm down a little bit and focus a little bit better, because she's just like very high strung. We don't medicate for like ADHD or anything, just personal choice. And I've not actually had her diagnosed for it, but I know for sure that she probably definitely has, you know, that. But these are, they've got like vitamins B6 and B12, omega-3, and a few other things. Anyways, the point is you can find these at Target for $17.99. Guess how much I found them at Marshall's for? $5.99. Okay, $5.99. And it comes with 25 lollipops, so it gets us through like a month or so. Literally cannot believe I found these for $5. That's a $12 savings per box. So I grabbed 4 boxes to get us through the next few months. These expire in January. So I got one for October, November, December, January. So had to stock up on those as well. Okay, then I ran into Home Goods really quick, and it wasn't on a plan, but I did. I'm specifically looking for a specific blue to go in my son's bedroom for his comforter, and I just cannot find it anywhere. So I always check. But I've also been looking for an additional rug to go in the girls' bathroom upstairs that matches. They have kind of like a mauve floral theme going on. So I need to see if this even matches. I don't know if it's gonna match, but I looked up the rug that I had on my phone, and it looked like it would, so I'll go see if this matches. This was $19.99, and it's a runner that I just want to put right in front of the sink. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. I am so excited I found this rug. Okay, so this is the one that I got to go in front of the bathtub. I didn't want any backing on it because I want to be able to like let this dry out and stuff. And then this is what I got to go in front of the sink, and I love it so much. But I still have not decorated this bathroom. It is on my list. I have everything to decorate with. It's on my list. So hopefully I'll be able to update you on that. But I feel like now that I found this rug, I'm so excited to decorate it. So if you happened to watch my previous video, I did talk to you all a little bit about a detox that I was doing. It was a 3-day detox, and I just finished as of this day in this video. I lost a total of 6 pounds and 10 inches between my hips, waist, arms, and legs. Overall, I am extremely satisfied with the results. It was the perfect kickstart to get me started, to get back into the best shape of my life. Like I said before, I used to be in the best shape right before I started having kids and right after the first kid I had. And then after I had my third kid, things just really went kind of the opposite way. So I'm trying to get back into the groove of being the best version of me and doing it not just for me, but for my family as well. Recently, I've done some really cute crafts with some of my flowers from the garden. The first thing that I did was I had this extra maple syrup jar and I filled it with baby oil and then added some zinnias in there, and these will keep for up to a year or longer. The other thing I did was put a dried flower in between this glass press just so I could save a piece of garden forever. And then the favorite thing that I did was the cosmos. I dried those out and then I Mod Podged those onto the little tea light holder and then just kind of Sharpied some black eyes on them, and it made the cutest little ghost on there. I love that so, so much. That is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little unicorn birthday shopping haul. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon.